start we are preaching today for Congo Kinshasa, RDC. What happened for RDC, countryman, countrywoman. Now this pastor waiting for social media, he preach any day. In the name of Jesus and all that. Now so he preach on me na he talk as just one for imitating. His name na Emi Coutinho Grace. Or if you want time Grace or Coutinho Emi Grace. Na pastor, he say be prophet also, prophetess. Now either 38 years, President for Congo Kinshasa, Felix Tshisekedi, don't appoint him as new minister for youth affairs. So now he be minister for youth affairs. People they don't know the woman, they must know it because if Papa too don't be a big man, pastor man, if Papa be a pastor Coutinho Fernando. Pastor Coutinho Fernando, where they be catching for Congo for security palava, he passed about 10 years for Ngata. Now so the matter he passed countryman, countrywoman, which is this pastor he papa now. He don't talk saying now God don't help you so they don't be minister now. Another matter for the Pidgin news today. Now this BB man, BB humorist, BB comedian, what they call it say Kouokam Narcise. Kouokam Narcise were receiving for one of my programs where University Bantu. Kouokam Narcise he talk plenty thing we become make promotion for a event we be organizer for Bonanjo for Place Saint David. So Kouokam Narcise as we talk now so he don't die. He died na yesterday. He quarrel for hospital for your university teaching hospital for Yaoundé. Every day it's a coma. He don't stay for coma. Then they begin for operating. The thing go pass the way it go pass. So Kouokam Narcise he quarrel for CHO for that side for Yaoundé. He don't get BB career. He don't collaborate with people like former comedian where we don't die to the Esini Manger. He don't collaborate with Defke Mokhtar. He don't collaborate with late Kankang Jean-Michel Kankang. So now so the thing he pass. More left Kouokam Narcise to enter for the other one. He named na Chameleon. He be social media person too. Chameleon explains some story about die for his sister. About violence when some couple them. Yes. What happened? His sister he died for London because he must have beat him, so they broke his head, kill him. He must have been started beating anytime he run, he must have Becky, he come back. His family advises him he go to say get 4 picky with that man, he go start without picking them. You know one common up place now, he want to stay with them. Now so the thing happen, he run sometime, family the glad they don't go na go. After the man convinces, he wants to picking the he can show picking, he sleep, the man take it, climb table. Doualang Kong. The Doualang Kong sweet so they get to see if he miss the Doualang Kong. So the man buy new motor, fix it in there. Sunday the man receives some call for a place. Whatever to happen to the call after he start knock the woman. Anytime we get small problem, the woman are punching back. Anytime we in Jumba do it some bad thing, the woman return na punching back. So now so the thing happen, countryman, countrywoman. So the sister for this Chameleon, a quarrel for that side for Great Britain. So the matter don't be for the matter, it don't be for the way. They get the advice, oh man, wanna be very, very careful. If man begin start to knock you, woman, be careful. If he start to beat you, run. If he knock you, let you see a mistake the first time you stay. And then he don't ever knock you again, that means it been a mistake. But if he knock you first time, it's a mistake. Second time, he knock you again, it's a mistake. Forgive him. No, na character. Na so he did. If I say me you run for your life. We reach for the matter now. We talk about who? Moustique charismatique. Moustique charismatique na in name. Moustique charismatique be don chakara with the woman. Loika. They will get big power. Wala be there. Problem there. Wala there. How happen? Na the way happen. Moustique charismatique. They don't join back in a woman. As they join back in a woman, Ndolo lamu esen jengelewa. Ndolo lamu esen jengelewa. He go kill you. Love one team. He don't make a na. Better for human. Moustique charismatic. Don't do BB poster for Yaoundé for wish happy birthday for Inga. And you want to see me go in love. Go in love. Oh, go in love. Dimanche. If you want to see me go in love, my sweet potato, Loika, now you are the when you be there, now you go be for your now so. People go talk what they want talk. I don't care about what they want talk. Anything where I know say, now you the make my heart. I don't sing my own. I don't worry. Now so the thing there, man, the I will sing it on the way, go sing the way, it go sing out for the way the thing go happen. Countryman. For Côte d'Ivoire, if a weekend, it be hammer. He hammer this weekend. Opposition, they organize some meeting. They organize the semi Côte d'Ivoire people, they come outside for talk say, end for power for Alassane Draman Ouattara. It be bad plenty. People work a marching. They not broke no nothing. They not burn no nothing. The pressure, popular pressure, it be high. With France 24, it try for one big high time. We know they for high time. They go show a picture after people they don't go back. France the fear for lost Côte d'Ivoire. As Ouattara go lead power. Now ending for France that. France army the way they Côte d'Ivoire na civilian may they start pack their thing for go. Back but we don't tell una say it don't come back. It don't come back. Thing they must change. Countrywoman. My talk now about palaba Marco Bricho. Ojo don't come out. Ojo way they outside now. I go put them just after the program so that moon I hear them. My breeze do it. My breeze will talk for that Ojo say now since 2 months they never pay ye. They don't pass so. So a contract we talk say after 2 months they will not pay you. If he leave you leave the contract. So you don't talk say now so it happen and then it happen. Then after the pressure don't mount, minister try his best for fix the matter. The minister be one lie. Say na fika fu be lie. Then now the tututi no begin come on now say minister not talk true. Jean Narcise Mouelekombi he not talk true. Why you not talk true Jean Narcise Mouelekombi? What happen when they not pay 2 months salary for Mark Brice? Now the question that we ask am. We know that Ururu presidency don't do this, ministry don't do this because no one control money. People in the chop commission for salary for Mark Brice. Now so the thing happen. Now so the thing happen. Now so the minister don't hear na say. Now so the thing happen. Mark Brice on poor pleasure. Now so the thing happen. Eto you get Congo. Yeah, you get a right master. Anytime we talk to you now, might not believe in a problem. Because at the end of the end, it can show say now you will get right for that matter. Now so it show countryman. I'll leave you now. Which is that audio for Mark Brice, Mona here with me. This is a talk now for French, strong French. Yes, we have strong French. How the thing it happened. So if you wanna see my back, me wanna know say my belly it there for before. Now so small time again.